Welcome everyone. In this video, we'll look at the method used to make a standard solution. It's an A-level chemistry exam question. Details are in the description. Let's get started. Here's the question. A student is required to make up 250 centimeters cubed of an aqueous solution that contains a known mass of MHCO3. Describe the method, including apparatus and practical details, that the student should use to prepare the solution. A standard solution is a solution of known concentration. We are given the volume of the solution in the question, 250 centimeters cubed. The mass of the MHCO3 must be measured. Here is a visual overview of the procedure. First, we must measure a mass of the solid using a two-place digital balance. Then, this solid is dissolved in distilled water. Finally, it is made up to a known volume using a volumetric flask. Let's address the question. First, measure a known mass of MHCO3 using a weighing boat and a 2 decimal place digital balance. Transfer to a beaker including the washings using distilled water. The apparatus is rinsed with distilled water to ensure that all of the MHCO3 is transferred to the beaker. Next, dissolve the solid in distilled water. Stir if required using a glass rod. In practice, it is a good idea to try to dissolve the solid in the minimum volume of distilled water. In this case, the total volume of the standard solution will be 250 centimeters cubed. At this stage, the total volume must be less than 250 centimeters cubed. Next, transfer to a volumetric flask including the washings and make up to 250 centimeters cubed. In practice, you might use a funnel at this stage to ensure that all of the solution goes into the volumetric flask. Add distilled water drop-wise using a dropper pipette. Ensure that the bottom of the meniscus is on the mark and make sure that your eye is at the same level as the meniscus. Finally, stopper and invert several times to ensure thorough mixing. Here is the procedure in full. This is an important method that you should try to memorise. Thanks for watching. Please post in the comments if you have any questions or suggestions. Take care and good luck with your studies.